Previously in our last class, we learned about the scientific advancements of the 1920s to the 40s that came of the push for progress after World War I. If you did not participate in the ED puzzle on the 1918 pandemic in class, then you'll need to complete that on your own for a grade. Today's lesson is a little different, more like a station rotation method that you get to choose your assignments. All of the assignment choices are about the artistic movements after World War I. Some of them are still popular today. I will briefly explain each assignment so that you can choose two that interest you. Note that each one is hyperlinked from the Google Slides and is also available on the World History class website. Choice 1 is the Roaring Twenties Ed Puzzle video that discusses how youth rebelled against the dark and gloomy mentality of a raging world war. Clothing, hair, music, and behavior all drastically changed. In this assignment, you'll do an Ed puzzle and complete the quiz with it. Choice 2 is the Birth of Jazz, with a video and a mini web search activity in which you'll find one jazz musician and create a Google Doc about specific information about that person. Choice 3 is the Baja Movement of design. Still used today in modern buildings, it is also related to the minimalist interior design and decluttering techniques. In this assignment, you will create your own Bajas design from a single room. It could be a bedroom, living room, game room, etc., or a building. Draw this out with enough detail to show clearly in a selfie and explain what this movement is. Choice 4 is the Harlem Renaissance, a movement to celebrate Black culture in New York City. The arts and music are still influential today, including jazz, so this assignment would be a great pairing with the Jazz Ace choice. Watch the BrainPop video and complete the quiz until you get a good score. Choice 5 is a seemingly weird art method that has become common political statements by pairing irrational objects or scenes together in a dreamlike quality. It is surreal or hard to imagine. Some of the examples shown here are often deeply interpreted. In this assignment, you will find a surrealism art example to trace or design your own. Choice 6 is Cubism, an easy-to-learn art method that is similar to stained glass but with paint. If you can draw shapes, this method is for you. This assignment is similar to the surrealism in that you will find a Cubism example to trace or create your own design. Also make a private comment explaining what Cubism is. Remember to choose only 2 assignments from this choice board. Work will be submitted in a Google form or Ed Puzzle quiz or classroom attachment with a private comment.